Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add social media icons to the announcement bar in Shopify down theme. So basically what you'll need to do is go to your Shopify store and click on edit theme. Then you will be redirected to this page and then click on the theme settings right here. Scroll down until you see social media. You'll see social media, click on this drop down menu, add your social media links, and then what you'll need to do is basically go to your home page like this, select on your footer, announcement bar, and what you'll need to do is select the announcement bar right here, and you'll see that you can add social media icons. And now my color is a little bit too bright, but you can see my social media icon right here. So before you exit, save this page and you'll have this beautiful looking social media icon, as you can see right here. So if this video was helpful for you guys, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.